Spoiler, it's not in the sky and it's not made of actual clouds. Let's start by busting the biggest myth. The cloud is not floating above your house. It's not a magical place in the sky where your cat videos, tax returns, and vacation photos drift in digital limbo. The cloud is just someone else's computer. More specifically, it's a massive network of powerful servers located in data centers around the world. When you upload a photo, write a document, or stream a movie, you're often pulling data not from your own device, but from a server in Chicago, Frankfurt, Tokyo, or who knows where. So why is it called the cloud? The term cloud originally came from network diagrams in the 1990s, where the internet was symbolized by a puffy, undefined shape, because it was complex and abstract. The name stuck, and while it sounds vague, the real thing is anything but. What is stored in the cloud? Pretty much everything you use online. Emails, Gmail, Outlook, photos and videos, Google Photos, iCloud, OneDrive, documents, Google Docs, Microsoft 365, music and movies, Spotify, Netflix, apps and backups, App Store, Play Store, System Restore, business software and websites, Salesforce, Dropbox, and even WordPress blog. When you back up your phone to iCloud or Google Drive, your entire digital life, texts, settings, apps, is copied and stored on their servers. When you stream a movie on Netflix, you're watching a video that lives on a server, not your TV. So what does it do for me? The cloud offers three major things. Storage without the baggage. You don't need a giant hard drive when your files live in the cloud. You can access them from anywhere, phone, tablet, desktop, as long as you have internet. Backup and safety. Drop your phone in the toilet. If you backed up to the cloud, you can restore everything on a new device in minutes. Sync across devices. Add an event to your calendar or your laptop, it shows up on your phone. Edit a document on your phone, your desktop has the update instantly. This convenience is why cloud computing becomes the backbone of our digital world. Who owns the cloud? Big players like Amazon Web Services, hosts everything from Netflix to NASA. Microsoft Azure runs behind many enterprise tools and even Xbox. Google Cloud powers Gmail, YouTube, Android backups. Apple iCloud stores Apple users' photos, messages, device backups. Even if you've never signed up directly for cloud services, odds are you've used one, because most apps and websites are hosted in the cloud, whether you realize it or not. Is the cloud safe? Here's the honest answer. Yes, mostly. Cloud providers invest millions into cybersecurity. Their data centers are more secure than most banks, and they encrypt your files during transfer and storage. But, and this is key, security is a shared responsibility. If you use a weak password, you're still vulnerable. If your device is compromised, cloud encryption doesn't help. If you don't turn on two-factor authentication, you're inviting trouble. And there's privacy to consider. Free cloud services often come with strings. Your data might be scanned, analyzed, or used for targeted advertising. That free storage isn't always as free as it looks. It's paid for by you becoming the product. What happens if the cloud goes down? Ask anyone who's experienced a Google Drive outage or an iCloud sync failure. When the cloud breaks, it can bring your digital life to a screeching halt. That's why it's always smart to keep a local backup of important files too. Trust but verify, especially when the internet's involved. Bottom line, the cloud is one of the most powerful and misunderstood forces behind the modern internet. It lets us do more with less, stay connected, and access our digital lives from anywhere. But it's not magic. It's hardware. It's software. It's someone else's computer doing the heavy lifting, so yours doesn't have to. Stay safe, stay secure, and the next time you hear, "It's in the cloud," just picture a server farm somewhere in the middle of Iowa, humming, blinking, and quietly keeping your life running. Thanks for tuning in. Now go hit that subscribe button and stay curious, my friends.